Hey guys, in this video we're going to chat about Zoho Workdrive being used in combination with the CRM and Zportals to help facilitate a more efficient workflow in collaborating on documents back and forth. So as you know, Zoho Workdrive now integrates with the CRM through the extension marketplace. When you integrate WorkDrive with the CRM, a related list is added to the accounts, deals, and contacts tab. And every time a new account is created in the CRM, a root folder is created in WorkDrive. So if I hop over here to WorkDrive, we can see that a root folder was created for the CRM integration. And then we have a folder for accounts. Each time a new account is added, it adds a folder for that client, and then you can go ahead and create subfolders as needed underneath that. Now, we all know that you can go ahead and share specific docs or folders with clients through WorkDrive, but it's not necessarily the most efficient or professional way of collaborating with a client. That's where we can really utilize Zportals, the client portal builder for Zoho, to create a more streamlined workflow. So when we deploy a client portal through Zportals, I'm going to go ahead and log into one now. We have this home dashboard, and we can actually integrate the Zoho Workdrive folder directly into the portal. So here, Iris, who is a contact belonging to Global Services, that example that I was on, she can go ahead and click on Documents, and this is actually going to bring up a live view of that folder from WorkDrive. So she can now download, view documents that were in there, and actually upload docs in real time to that WorkDrive folder in Zoho Workdrive as well. So this is a seamless sync that's all done securely, and really creates a far more professional experience for a firm to either deliver docs to a client, or maybe if you are an accounting firm and you need to securely request tax documents, those users can upload those docs through this portal and have it integrated into WorkDrive automatically. We look forward to exploring your use case and showing other ways that you can leverage Zoho CRM, WorkDrive, and the Zportals Client Portal Builder to help improve your efficiency at collaborating with clients and transferring docs. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers.